Hi everybody, it's Claire Paris with Paris Group Realty LLC in Portland, Oregon, and I've got PJ with Clever Duck Inspections here, and we're answering some hard questions about home inspections. So PJ, what happens when you find something wrong with the property?
Good question. I'll tell you about it. Basically, that's my job. If I find something wrong, I'm going to let you know. And that's what the report is for. I'll take pictures of it. I'll take video of it. I'll tell you as much about it as I can. I'll put that in the report and I will hand it off to Claire.
And then I take the relay and run with it. I end up calling licensed and bonded contractors and getting you bids on the things that you're most worried about. Now, PJ is going to give us, I don't know, a 100-page report, and I can't get bids on every single thing, so we have to prioritize what's in that report. The way I prioritize a report is typically stuff I know is really expensive and also might keep you up at night or could kill you. And now, of course, this is from the buyer's perspective. I don't get a copy of the home inspection if I'm representing the seller, not typically in Oregon, unless seller you ask. So buyers, you're going to get a spreadsheet from me that's going to show a breakdown of all of the bids that you wanted and how much they cost. And then we get to decide whether or not we're going to ask for credits, we're going to ask for a price reduction, or we're going to ask the seller to do work. And you can insist that the seller use the contractor that you want. They don't get to just pick whoever they want. They can't use Uncle Gary. But, you know, this is a whole sort of difficult navigation of what's what's going to bother you and what you're comfortable with and what you want and what you don't want, because ultimately, is there a pass fail?
There is no pass fail.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people think that there is passing a home inspection or failing a home inspection. Whether it passes or fails is entirely up to the person who gets the home inspection. If you read the home inspection and there's information in there that makes you want to run screaming, then it failed. But if you can cope with the things that are in the inspection and you want to address them or have them addressed, then it passed. And it's, I think it's also important to know that, like, a home inspector is for you. Your home inspection report is entirely for you. No one can use it but you unless you hand it to someone. It's your property. I'm never going to let anybody else see it. It's entirely private for you.
You won't even share it with me, right?
No. If you
without
don't
your
want to share it
permission.
with your agent, then you don't have to.
I've never seen that happen before, but it is possible.
It does sometimes happen if the agent is representing both the buyer and the seller.
Oh, for sure.
Then sometimes they don't want to hand off that inspection report.
Yeah,
and I'll
for
always
sure.
ask.
Thanks so much for tuning in to our Ask an Expert series. And PJ, thanks so much for taking the time to join us. If you want PJ's contact info, it's below. Feel free to reach out. And we've got all kinds of videos like this, so check them out. We're going to school you on home inspections. We'll see you next time.